Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send product catalog to IndiaMART leads via WhatsApp. So here I am a seller on IndiaMART, and in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically my product catalog should be shared through WhatsApp. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be IndiaMART and our action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send product catalog to IndiaMART leads via WhatsApp. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as IndiaMART Automation. And now I'm going to select my folder as Automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. Now to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action step. Now let's begin with the automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART and my trigger event as new leads. And now to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on add new connection. If your IndiaMART account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Now here it is asking for CRM key. So for that, let me take you to IndiaMART account. So here in our IndiaMART account, here I'm going to click on the settings. And from here, I'm going to click on account settings. And here you can see the CRM API key option. So here I'm going to click on this. And here you can see the current API key. So here to generate a new key, I'm going to click on this generate key. And after generating the key, I'm going to copy the key. So here after copying the key, moving back to Pabbly, here I'm going to paste the CRM key. And now after pasting the key, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we have successfully built a connection. So now here, before clicking on save and send test request, please note that Pabbly Connect will only capture the latest read received in our IndiaMART account. So now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. So now here you can see we have successfully received a response, and here we have received the subject, which is this. We have received unique query ID, sender's state, moving forward, sender's name, sender's mobile number, sender's email, moving forward, sender's city, sender's address. Moving little more forward, here we have received query product name, query message, which is we want to get grid solar power system for our on-site office. And here we have received the quantity as 10 piece. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to our action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. And my action event as send template message. Now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp Cloud API account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Now moving forward, here it is asking for token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all these details, I need to set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for developers. So here in Meta for developers, I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account where I have received temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. But here you can see I have received temporary access token. That means this token will expire in 23 hours. So to build a permanent connection, you need a permanent access token, and for that you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. To learn how to do this, you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly window. So here I've pasted all the details, and now I'm going to click on the save. Now after building the connection, moving forward, here it is asking for template name. So for template name, let me take you back to the WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Here in step 2, you can see it says to create your own message template, click here. In this message templates window, you can see all the templates which I have created for my use. If you want to learn how to create your own template, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Now I'm going to select my desired template. And here you can see the message which I have drafted, which says, "Hello, thank you for showing interest in our offerings. Here's our product catalog attached with the message. Please feel free to contact us regarding any query. Thank you, regards." So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. That is because I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically this variable should be updated with the new lead name. Variables makes our text dynamic. Also, you can add multiple variables in your text. So here I have already attached the document. So now moving back to Pabbly. Here I'm going to select my template name as IndiaMART lead. And after selecting the template name, automatically this language code and selected template ID will be updated. Now in this recipient mobile number, here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send a WhatsApp message. So instead of entering it manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our IndiaMART leads. So here I'm going to search for the phone number. Here I'm going to map the mobile number. Moving forward, here it is asking for header document URL. So here I'm going to enter the URL which is publicly accessible. So this is the URL of my document. Now moving forward, here I'm going to give the name, which is product catalog. And now it is asking for body field 1. So here I need to map the data for my variables. So here I'm going to map the name. And now before clicking on save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've entered my original number and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received message status as accepted. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received a WhatsApp message where we have received, "Hello demo user, thank you for showing interest in our offerings. Here's our product catalog attached with the message. Please feel free to contact us regarding any query." Let me show you the catalog. And here you can see the catalog. So with this, we have successfully completed our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as WhatsApp Cloud API. So that whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the product catalog should be shared via WhatsApp to that lead. Also here you can see the IndiaMART is pooling based application. That means Pabbly Connect will capture the new response in the next 24 hours. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.